I'm going to do like a Valentine's Day meal, fish and chips kind of thing. And I will just show you basically like what we have. We have some cod here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making some a sauce to go over it with fresh lemons. We have vitamin C with the lemons, of course. We have fresh parsley and garlic. All right, so I'm going to just like put some salt and pepper. I'm going to squeeze out some lemon in here for our fish. I washed the fish earlier and I washed the fish with lemon. I always do. I'm going to put some lemon with salt and pepper. A couple of them. This is yummy. We're going to add some fresh garlic in there. Okay. Alrighty. Then we're going to use some fresh olive oil. And I've put the salt and pepper on before. We're going to add some fresh parsley. I already chopped some parsley up ready for this. And we're going to add some more at the end. All right, let me just give this a quick stir. And then we're going to add this all over the top. And you can always add salt on after. You know, don't go crazy with the salt. You've got the garlic in there, fresh herbs. And we're going to tinfoil that. Put a little more ground pepper in there in a second. White pepper. And then this is all good for your skin and your nails and things like that. So that's going to go into the oven and it's going to go in for about 350 for about 20-25 minutes. But when you touch the fish, it's easy to break. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side for now. Right, the next thing. We're going to do a couple of different things today, and I've got something exciting happening at the end. So we're going to do a smashed potato. Fun, fun, fun. So we're going to have, I part-boiled these medley potatoes. You see the different ones, different colours. So they're part-boiled, and then we're going to smash. I'm going to put on the baking sheet.
Ooh, smashing's fun.
Yeah, it is. And I put a little bit of salt in there before, but I'm going to, you know, when I put them to boil, I'm going to put a little bit, tiny bit more. See them beautiful antioxidants in there. We're doing an English fish and chips, but a healthy version. They put these in the air fryer, but you can put them in the oven. No big deal after, you know. You see how they're coming out? You smash them, and they get all crispy and delicious. When you see, you'll see them at the end. Different sizes here.
Sam, what's the herb that you have there with them?
This is fresh rosemary.
Okay, that's what I thought.
You know, rosemary is good for memory, good for the brain.
Oh, nice.
Okay. All right, so you've got an idea of what to do. Then we're going to put, you know, some, well, they're going into the air fryer. Right, next thing, chocolate. We're going to do some chocolate covered strawberries. Right, so I have, look at the chocolate melt. The chocolate starts to melt. I'm going to do a quick setup because it's Valentine's Day. So right now I'm melting dark chocolate. And I've washed and dried some strawberries. See my dark chocolate there? Now, how you melt dark chocolate, and you can buy in the supermarket, it's very easy to find. You know, strawberries, in chocolate-covered strawberries, they're so expensive. I don't know if anyone's like they're like $1.50, $1.75, and that was like 4 or 5 years ago. I hate to think even what they are right now. Can't even imagine. So we have some nice dark chocolate for antioxidants. You can buy the brand Ghirardelli. This is actually, I'm using Merkins. You can get that online as well. This is like Merkin's chocolate. I find it so easy to melt. Right, so the chocolate's done. I'm going to bring it over there. Let me get my tea towel. Take this off. I'm going to be melting some white chocolate to show you a trick after.
Oh, nice.
Let me take this over there. Bowl's not hot. Now you mustn't get any water in this chocolate. If you get water in the chocolate, it kind of ruins it. And also the strawberries have to be bone dry. So I have some strawberries here I've washed, and I'm even going to double dry them just to make sure there's no water. See, there's like a tiny little bit of water. I'm going to get all the excess water out because also they'll last longer as well.
What happens if they're still wet? Does the chocolate not set? Is that what
it doesn't stick on it well? It gets powdery and clumpy. Whereas this, when it's fully dry, and the strawberries actually last longer in the refrigerator as well.
Oh, okay.
All right, so I'm going to just show you how I'm dipping. You let it fall till it's finished, right? And then you're going to put it on the baking sheet. Alrighty, let it drip till it's done. You know, these are going in the refrigerator after. Now, I'm going to do this one because it's not a pretty shape. I'm going to add a little bit of, I have some glazed pecans, and I'm just going to sprinkle some glazed pecans on it so you can get like different looks. You can put coconut on it. All right, I've got 2 more. I'll just get these done quickly, and then I will show you the trick. I did that one quick. And you can put this back in the water to make it a little bit like you know, looser again when it gets warm. Right, here's a trick. Save that. This Ziploc bag. You know, this I use as a like piping tool. I'm melting some like white chocolate right now, and I'm going to cut the very, very tip, just a tiny tip, right? And then I'm going to get this white chocolate. So I'm going to get my little bag, open up my Ziploc, and put some melted white chocolate. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to, see?
Oh, nice. That looks so fancy.
And you're going to see at the end how that is when I show you the finished products. So in the refrigerator, I can't put the white on these chocolates because they're not set yet. I had that one previously done. So I will show you the end result now. As you see,
they're gorgeous.
And they're easy to make. Why spend all that money in the store when they're cheap to make? Look how beautiful.
They're
nice
gorgeous.
Day present too.
Yeah, right.
You know. Okay, so also the dish of the week I made is the fish. So it's fatty fish, which is good for the skin and nails, and it has omega-3s in them. Then we have our potatoes. We have the skins on our potatoes, which also have vitamin D. Okay, and then the water of the week, I made a mocktail.
Oh,
I made a mocktail, and it's with lemon and mint.
Nice.
And lime juice, and I did it with sparkling water instead.
Beautiful.
So
that's Valentine's Day. That's gorgeous.
That is our Valentine's Day special, baby.